Alright, so what's up, you guys? It's your girl Courtney, and I am back with another video. Yes, back with another video. And today, guys, listen. Y'all are not ready for this, okay? Today, guys, we have us none other than a 24. How many?
24. That's the size of somebody's rims.
That is we ride spinners. We ride spinners. They don't stop. Listen. What? I'm showing my age?
Yeah.
Comment down below if y'all know that song. Period. Look, y'all. This is a 24-inch pizza. Okay? I was looking for 20. But they had a 24. So, we're going to start off the new year right. Okay? So, let's get into the video.
Everything big, you feel me?
Everything big. We doing everything big on this channel. So, y'all, baby got mushrooms and pepperoni. And I got pepperoni, red onion, and bell pepper. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Look at that pizza. It smells good. Ooh, bite that thing. Bite that thing. Ooh. Is it good? Ooh. Ooh. Let me taste it, y'all, because he eating it like it's good. Y'all, what is these for? Somebody comment down below. What is these in the pizza for? This a big old pizza. Oh, my God. Okay, so let me take a big bite. Nina, this for you. I'm going to take me a big bite.
Y'all see that shirt? Now watch it at the end of the video.
This is good. If I can remember, y'all put the name of the place we went to, because I can't remember. I'll put it in the video. We'll find out.
Okay.
But yeah, y'all. It only took them about 15 minutes. Didn't take them long to fix it. And it's good. It's good.
Oh yeah, it's good.
I wish it could have been a little hotter, but you know what? We had to run some errands. That man handed us this pizza box.
You can't go pick up this pizza in no little Nissan.
No.
Expedition or something.
We
almost put it on the back of the truck.
Yeah, scrapped it down. Listen. Listen. This a big piece. Baby was trying to walk it out the door and ran clean to the door.
And the pizza ain't moved, the dough did.
Y'all. My God.
It's good though.
It's good.
It tastes like your regular Domino's and then like that. It tastes good. I would totally, recommend this.
We got plenty to share. This y'all pizza. Come pick up some, because we ain't going to be able to eat all this. Man.
Not one slice was big. It's not bad for like a little house party and stuff. You know, you want to order like Domino's and stuff like that. You're going to spend all that money. This is going to get everybody full. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be enough for everybody to get full.
It's enough.
Depending on how many people you got.
And
plus, it's just going to run you like, what, it was $24.99 plus tax?
it's about the same price as you paying for those pieces. It was a little bit more. It was $34.
Yeah, we got extra toppings.
Oh, yeah, we did get extra topping. But if you just get cheese
or pepperoni.
or pepperoni, it's $24.99.
Mm-hmm.
This good for you doing pizza, but you ain't looking like you cheap. If you're trying to do a little bougie gathering.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how bougie the gathering gonna be with pizza, but you know,
It's good.
it is good. The people there was nice.
Mm-hmm.
I had to give him my card out of my pocketbook. Not my pocketbook. My pocket that's here. It was all warm. I had to hand it to the man. I had to leave him a tip because he was touching. I'm so sorry. I ain't have to leave a tip, but I was like, ooh, I'm so sorry, ma'am. I mean, sir. I'm still eating this one.
Oh, that piece is janky.
Why?
Mm-hmm. I guarantee you, them 2 slices I just ate, it was equivalent to 4.
Mm-hmm.
And I
sure.
still got 6 slices left.
6 top, but that one right there real big.
I know. It's like 2 regular size and a little piece.
Look
You know how
how
you
big
get the
that
little corner?
Mm.
It's a split.
Dang.
This will easily feed the whole family.
For real. So we know what lunch gonna be tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, y'all, sorry if we used the green screen this time. Listen, until I get me a laptop, I ain't gonna say until I can get me a laptop because I'm gonna be using my green screen for sure. But I need to get a laptop that holds more storage because my iPad just don't hold enough. And I buy extra storage and it's still not enough to host my long videos.
I'm gonna get you a MacBook, a desktop or something.
That's what I need.
Man, that is a big piece of it. Now look at that.
That's a big pizza. My God in heaven. So y'all, it is the first video of the year for us.
Mm-hmm.
So happy New Year, y'all. I hope y'all had a great one. I hope y'all setting goals and setting them forth. And yeah, y'all, this gonna be our year. Everybody that's watching this video, I'm speaking unto your life. This is your year. Claim it. 2020. Make the most of it. Give me some of that water. Did you ever say what his name is gonna be? I think his name Mr. Black.
Oh, okay.
Since I got Miss Pinky, his name gonna be Mr. Black.
Okay.
Miss Pinky and Mr. Black. Ooh, Mr. Black sounds sexy.
I'm already getting full. I can give y'all about a half a piece, if that. Nah, I can't give y'all. Look at that.
Look at that pizza, y'all. A good God.
I can't even give y'all half. I'm finna be done.
I only done ate one. I'm a bad mukbanger. Ooh, that made me think about what you call a song. What's her name? Mukbang. Mukbanging. Mukbang. A we banging. A we hanging. I remember first time I heard this, I was like, what is this? But then it stick with you. You be like, okay. Okay.
You're a great mukbanger.
I'm a great mother. Thank you, baby. Mm. 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 You look miserable.
I'm getting there.
You should, taste mine with the vegetables and stuff on it.
Taste mine.
You don't got mushrooms. I don't want no mushrooms.
I don't want no any.
You know what I'm noticing with pizza? I'm starting to too much not care for the meat.
Oh, yeah?
I just like the cheese and the veggies. Out of there! Mm, mm, mm. You did good, baby. Ooh, Lord.
We're gonna need some help.
Yeah. This can't even fit in the oven, y'all. We thought we were gonna warm this up. This cannot fit in the oven. We're gonna have to take it apart.
Mm-hmm.
So in order for us to put this in the refrigerator, we gotta take this apart. And
Damn. We do gotta put this in the refrigerator.
we do gotta put it in the refrigerator. But it's okay. We just take it. I'm putting some around it.
Mm-hmm.
But this, we gonna have to take this to the dumpster. Cause this can't sit in the house. This box too big. Mm, mm, mm. Tell me how y'all think we did.
Well, oh, on the pizza?
Mm-hmm. You done caught the itis.
Man, it's good though. I ain't gonna lie.
It's good. It's just a lot of pizza.
It's a lot of pizza.
It's a lot of pizza. But it's okay. Wanna go ahead and end the video?
Let's do it.
Alright. So please make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, please make sure that your post notification bell is on so that you can be notified every time your girl and your boy upload a video here on the channel. We love you guys. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's a big piece.
Yeah.
Period.